Introducing the 2019 Toyota Highlander. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Give your family this spacious, efficient Highlander and start building your road trip memories. You'll love its smooth riding, quiet cabin, excellent durability, responsive performance, and ample cargo space, as well as its safety and driver assistance technology. With a flexible interior that seats up to 8, you'll be ready for a world of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, power liftgate. Make every drive all that it can be in this comfortable and capable Highlander. Our team is committed to giving you the best possible customer service. Why not stop by for a test drive today?